Hey guys, it's Damian. I'm back with another one. In today's video, I have this AirPod Pro 2nd generation that I got sent from DhGate. Right off the bat, the packaging on these were 1-to-1. The text came how they were supposed to be. There was no imperfections in these ones whatsoever. Heading over to the bottom of the box, you do see the serial numbers there, and yes, they do check out and show that they do come with coverage or warranty. You are greeted with the Design and Apple in California paperwork. And for the extra ear tips, they didn't come in placed properly in the packaging, but I think that's just with the unit that I got. And lastly, we have the USB-C to lightning cable that comes in the box, but these ones are not braided, sadly. And now the main star of the show, the AirPods. First off, the weight was top notch. It didn't feel light or too heavy, just perfect. It came with the speakers and the lanyard inserts on the side of the AirPod case. In terms of build quality, I'll give this a 9 out of 10. The pairing process of this AirPods were how real AirPods would be paired with an iPhone or iPad. Once you pair them, it would show you the battery percentages or info on your iPhone. Once paired, the first thing that I did go to check was the transparency and ANC, and all I can tell you that they work flawlessly. When I put them in and turned on ANC, I couldn't hear anything. I turned on transparency and I could hear everything around in the room. But for spatial audio, it wouldn't work because they are missing the chip that Apple has in the real AirPods. But apart from that, ANC and transparency will work flawlessly. In the Bluetooth settings, you can see that it shows every little setting and info, even the serial number and warranty as well, which is crazy that it even pops up and shows on my iPhone. Next thing I did go to check out was the stem controls, and yes, the volume rocker does work on the stem. Pause and play. You can also change it to the next song and back to the previous song using the stem controls like the real AirPod Pro 2s would have. I'm gonna give these a solid 8.5 out of 10. Sound quality was amazing, even better than my real AirPod 3s that I bought. But I can say that if you guys want these as well, link will be down below in the description. If you like the video, drop a like down below, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.